Welcome once again to Online Math Tutorial. Let's solve this problem. If y is equal to 4x raised to the power 3 plus x raised to the power 2 minus 6x minus 3, find 1 dy dx, the square y over dx square, and the value of dy dx at x equals 2. Solution. We know that in solving the problem, so we have that y equals 4x raised to the power 3 plus x raised to the power 2 minus 6x minus 3. In solving the problem involving differentiation, we know that if y is equal to x raised to the power n, that dy dx is equal to use n and multiply the coefficient. So we have nx and subtract 1 from n minus 1. This same, we are going to apply it to this polynomial. So to do that, y dy dx is now equal to, apply this same thing here, that is 3 times 4, which will give us 12, x subtract 1 from this. So we will have 2. Okay, we can equally say 3 minus 1 plus, use 2 multiply here, we have 2x, subtract 1 from this, we have 2 minus 1, minus, the coefficient here is, the power here is 1, use it to multiply here, we also have 6. So we have x 1 minus 1 minus, if we find the coefficient, the differentiation of a constant, it will also give us 0. dy dx is now equal to 12x raised to the power 2 plus, subtracting here we have 2x minus x raised to the power 1 minus 1 will give us 0, and making x raised to the power 0, any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So we have minus 6. So the value of dy dx I is equal to 12x squared plus 2x minus 6. Now to find the second one, I, which is the square y all over the x squared, what it means is that you need to differentiate this function again in order to get this value. That is the second derivative of a particular function. So to do that, all we need to do is to differentiate this function again, and this should be equal to 2 times this will give me 24x. 24x, that is, when we subtract 1 from here, we'll also be left with 1. Plus, differentiate 2x, you will have 2. And if you differentiate a constant, you will have 0. So the value of x, the square y all over the s squared is equal to 24x plus 2. Now the third one, which is the value of dy dx at x equals to, all we need to do here is to impute 2 for x at dy dx. So meaning we have that dy dx is equal to 12x raised to the power 2 plus 2x minus 6. So at x equals to, we will have 12x, that dy dx is going to be, dy dx is going to be 12 into 2 raised to the power 2 plus 2, that is imputing 2 for x, into 2 minus 6. 2 raised to the power 2 will give us 4, and 4 times this times 12 will give us 48. So we have 48 plus 2 times 2 is 4 minus 6. And this will be equal to 48 plus 4 is equal to 52. And 52 minus 6. 52 minus 6 will give us 46. So we have 46 as the value of the y dx at where x is equal to 2. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Click the bell icon so that if we do videos like this, you will also be notified.